I was recently doing a group online session, and somebody asked me, how is it that you've been able to get past so much trauma? The person asked this because she knows my background and she knows that I've gone through so much stuff that nobody should have ever had to live through all the crap that I've had to go through. And thank God that I'm mentally stable, I'm happy, and I'm very much in the present, not obsessing about the past, not obsessing about what people have done to me in the past, none of that stuff. And so my response was that one of the things that I've learned is that when situations and people fail you, more than ever, you need to have yourself. You need to have your own acceptance, love, and approval, as well as validation, to where you can count on yourself to come through for yourself, that you're able to do whatever you need to do to move forward. Because unfortunately, you can't count on the people that should have been there, people that should have done certain things. A lot of times those people just didn't have the capacity to be what they needed to be, what they should have been. And in situations like that, a lot of times we can personalize those things to the point where we feel that we're not worthy of being treated well, we're not worthy of good things, when in reality it's just that unfortunately we had some pretty dysfunctional people in our lives. Especially when things are tough, especially when you've experienced a lot of trauma, a lot of bad things, more than ever, you deserve to be there for yourself. You deserve to come through for yourself. And so the more you give yourself this inner strength and the more you are there for yourself, let me tell you, the higher the chances of you getting past all that crap and moving forward in your life. And I am living proof of that, that you can move forward and be a happy person that is productive, that is making a positive change in the world. I mean, if you saw me on the street, you would never know of all the crap that I've been through, because I'm not living in the past. I'm completely rooted in the present, grateful for the life that I have, grateful for my little son, and really looking forward to the future. And so in the same way, regardless of what you've gone through in the past or what you're going through right now, let me tell you that you can take control with the right mindset and you can create the life that you truly want to live. Well, I hope this little video has inspired and motivated you to take control. If you liked the video, then please give it a like, and I look forward to chatting with you again soon.